So after the Pro to go, you've got the first level of the BondicPRO. This is your 14 LED flashlight, and it takes 3 AAA batteries. Use higher end batteries, you get better performance. There's special ones for electronics that are, I guess they're lithium based or they last longer. That's worthwhile to use. And then when you put it in, make sure you put it back in the right way. So I'll just grab some batteries here for a second. Got it? So with your 14 UV LED, you unscrew the back counterclockwise, and this cartridge comes out. And you want to put in your batteries. Obviously, the back side goes to the spring. Always the back side goes to the spring, and the positive goes on the flat side. And then you can put it in here, and if you make a mistake, you'll know because it won't work. So it could be in backwards, so you just have to take it out and put it in the other way. If you do take out the battery and they're in backwards, that'll be the problem. And just hit that switch when you're putting it together. Take your time not to cross-thread this. I'm actually right-handed, so I'll do it with my right hand. And go past the rubber seal there so it's closed tight. There you go. And there's your 14 UV LED, and there's your surfaces there. Again, you want to go close on an angle so when you generate heat that the residual heat can go away and off, and you won't damage your lens here because you'll absorb some of the UV if you damage or scratch that.